Hi, my friends! Today I'm going to share with you how to make the paper lantern with the size of the Zodiac. This lantern is so pretty and simple to make. You can decorate your self-book, your desk, and your bedroom with this lantern. To make this lantern, I'll need some simple craft supplies. First is cardstock A4 250 GSM. The second is a very light string. The third is cutting machine. If you don't have a cutting machine, you can print the template and use a craft knife to cut it out. I will leave the link to download this template in the description below. There are 12 sizes of the Zodiac templates that you can choose according to your own interest. After downloading, you'll get a zip file like this. I'll open this file. Click on this folder. Hold it and drop it in a new folder to extract it. Open this folder. There are 3 subfolders including PDF, PNG, and SVG. The PDF folder is for cutting hand. You can print all of these templates and cut along these templates with a craft knife. An SVG folder is for cutting machine. You can cut them with a Cricut machine, Silhouette, etc. Now, I'll cut this template with my Cricut machine. I will open the Cricut program. Click on New Project. Click on Upload and click on Upload Image. I will drag and drop one of these files here and click on Upload. Then, I'll do the same things to the remaining files. Now, I will choose all templates that I have just uploaded and click on Add to Canva. I will turn off these templates which I won't have cut them yet, for I arrange pieces to fit to A4 cardstock. I will click on Weld so that the pieces are fixed. Then I will click on Make it. Now, I will rotate this template through 90 degrees because I often stick the horizontal cardstock on my cutting mat. Then I'll click on Continue and choose Heavy Cardstock 100 IB acetate base material. Then stick the cardstock on the cutting mat. Put the cutting mat in the Cricut machine and press go. Okay, now I have these pieces like this. Now I'm going to guide you how to assemble these pieces together. As you can see, there are 5 slots on each piece. I'll put them together like this. Firstly, I'll assemble 6 pieces together to make a half lantern. It's so easy to make, right? Then, I will leave this aside. Next, I will put the remaining pieces together similarly to the previous pieces. Now I have other half lantern. Next, I will put the fairy light in a half lantern. I will leave the street outside. And I will take other half one and put it to this one to make the lantern. I'm done with this lantern. I'm going to put this lantern on the table in my bedroom. This will bring sparkle light to my sleep and warming my room. I hope you love this one. If you've made it, please share with us your experience in the comment. Thank you and see you later.